The U.S. Supreme Court has begun hearings on California's Proposition 8. Prop 8 was approved by 52% of California's voters and banned same-sex marriages in that state. It was overturned by one actively gay judge who ordered that same-sex marriages continue. It was appealed to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court can now, 1, affirm the lower court's decision against Proposition 8 without affecting other states, or 2, affirm the decision against Proposition 8 in a way that legalizes same-sex marriages in 7 other states, or 3, decide the Constitution requires that all states must legalize same-sex marriage, or 4, decide that the Constitution is silent on the question, leaving each state to decide for itself. Or 5, the Supreme Court could decide not to decide at all. So far, several of the justices, despite some obvious leanings, show they're reluctant to make any new rulings on marriage, which is governed mostly at the state level. 30 states have made constitutional amendments banning same-sex marriage. 9 more states have laws against it. 9 states have legalized it. And some say that more will legalize it because the tide of public opinion is turning towards same-sex marriage. Well, the tide can turn again, and this is something devoutly to be prayed for. Chief Justice Roberts raised one point in the recent hearings that no one answered. He said it seems supporters of gay marriage were trying to change the meaning of the word marriage to include same-sex couples. But the issue goes deeper than that. They're not only trying to change what marriage means, but what it means to be a man or a woman. And that is one distinction that God made when He created us in His image. And what greater honor is it than to be created in the image of God, to be like Him? As it says in Genesis 1, male and female He created them, and God blessed them. And God said to them, be fruitful and multiply and fill the earth. That is the foundation for all human life since then. Husband and wife, mother and father, raising children to be fathers and mothers who raise more children. No nation on earth has been able to tamper with these until this mixed up time we live in now. Redefine marriage, redefine family. Why not go all the way back to Genesis 1 and start over again without God? Don't even try. Even children understand that they need a mother and a father, and they hurt when one of them is missing. Sexual identities are given to us by God, and when broken, sexual identities must be healed, not changed. Don't bring woe on the next generation by turning your hearts against them and giving them over to gay parents, gay families, gay predators, pressures to become gay themselves, gay history lessons, which we see happening in California now. But now that unelected judges have taken the matter out of the people's hands and put it into the courts, we do have one thing left in our hands, and that is prayer, by which we can put it into God's hands. God Himself has the greatest rights in this matter because He created us and because He cares for us more than anyone. For you, for me, for homosexuals, no matter how misguided, for the next generation, and for the whole world, including Belize, which is facing a court case on sodomy coming up very soon, and which is heavily influenced by U.S. decisions. Learn more about this case, and especially how to pray, by visiting our website and reading the article, Same-Sex Marriage Court Cases Reach Supreme Court, and reading our latest teaching, The Church's Response to the Homosexual Agenda. And keep checking our website for updates. Our website gives you the essentials to pray for so that you can make a difference in national and world transformation. Keep updated and make an impact on world events by visiting our website today.